Hello guys and welcome back to Daily Crypto TV. Today we're going to be doing another update on Bitcoin and XRP. We're just going to run over what I sort of spoke about yesterday and what's happening right now. So currently with Bitcoin, so basically yesterday I said that we were in a bear flag, and we were. So we were in a bear flag and a descending triangle, and I said if we were to sort of fall to the downside from that descending triangle, then we would move towards the downside. So basically what I said is that we would drop down this much, which we didn't, thank God. I'm pretty sure that it was basically this drop here, which looks pretty much bang on. Well, a bit less than that. So yeah, we basically dropped down, and I thought we were going to obviously retest this support level here of $34,700, and if we broke through that, we would retest the $33,700. So I was pretty much spot on with that, which I'm quite proud of. So yeah, so I'm hoping that this is our final sort of drop to this support here of $33,600. If we break below that, then would continue to go to the downside really quite rapidly. So basically, yeah, so what I'm seeing now, if we quickly just run through the charts, let's go to the 45-minute chart. So we've already ticked bullish on the 45-minute chart. Nothing really, nothing much to say about that. We've obviously had a nice little pump to the upside here on the 45-minute chart, so hopefully we retest the support level here of $34,700. Let's move up to the 1 hour chart. Same thing, already ticked bullish on the RSI and the MACD, and we're starting to see some blue candles here on the MACD, so I'm hoping we get a bit more volume as well, and some more upwards movement. But we've obviously hit the bottom of the RSI anyway, so I'm hoping that we see some more buying pressure and less selling pressure. Let's move towards the 4 hour chart. So I tend to really base my decisions off of the 4 hour chart and the daily chart and the weekly chart, because they obviously seem to be the most bullish sort of movements, because obviously they're longer time frames as well. Short term, if you're doing short term trading, then obviously you would use the minute chart or the 45-minute chart or half an hour chart. That's literally like quite a rapid chart. But basically what I'm seeing on the 4 hour chart is we are about to tick bullish on the RSI down here at the bottom of the RSI, and we've kind of actually created an inverse head and shoulders on the RSI. So yeah, we should see a nice little pump to the upside. Not yet tick bullish on the MACD, but I suspect in the next sort of so the 4 hour ends in about 20 minutes. So I expect that if we carry on with the buying pressure that we've got at the moment, then we should hopefully tick bullish on the MACD. But we've already ticked bullish pretty much on the RSI as well. So what I'm basically seeing right now is that we should see a nice little pump to the upside. So basically, every time we sort of hit the bottom of the RSI, let's just check to make sure we're touching the bottom on the daily. So we're nearly touching the bottom of the RSI on the daily as well. So once we sort of tick bullish there, then we should see a nice little pump to the upside. We haven't ticked bullish yet on the MACD or the RSI on the daily chart, but let's just see what happens on the 4 hourly chart first. We could possibly see, if we sort of carry on with the buying pressure that we've got at the moment, then we could possibly see ticking bullish on the daily chart by sort of tomorrow evening, or maybe the next day. So in like the next sort of couple of days, if we see some buying pressure, I'm hoping that we've just retested this support line here to just to take any short positions out. Well, no, just to take the rest of the long positions out, and then it would probably start going back up. But I can't guarantee. But I do think that we've obviously hit the bottom of the RSI, so I do think that we should see some upwards movement. If we try and measure, so every time we sort of hit the bottom of the RSI here, we do seem to see upward movement. So I'll probably come off of this one here. Obviously, it won't do it it might not do it in a day, but it might do it in the course of a few days. So obviously once we tick bullish for certain, it'll probably be sort of this candle here. So we should obviously retest the resistance of $35,500, then retest $36,300, and then hopefully try and get to $37,000. That obviously won't happen in well, it might not happen straight away, but it might happen over the course of the few days, or basically this week. This week might be like a bullish week. If we sort of tick bullish on the RSI and the MACD, and stay bullish, then obviously on the daily we would also then tick bullish as well. So then that would continue the upward movement, but we've still got to get through these resistance levels here, here, and here. So, but what I'm basically seeing though is we've already formed a head, not a head. We've formed a left shoulder pattern here, and we're starting to form a head pattern here on Bitcoin. So if we sort of move up here, retest this support level here of $35,600, and then create a sort of bounce between these resistance and support levels here, and create this right shoulder. Once we've created this right shoulder here, then we should start to move up and retest these next resistance levels, and then hopefully start moving towards the sort of the $37,000 mark and the $37,500 mark. So I'm hoping that this inverse head and shoulders pattern plays out, which would be nice to see. I'm obviously just predicting it way ahead. I mean, but this is sort of what it looks like. Obviously, we are about to tick bullish on the RSI. So once we do that, we should see a nice little pump, retest here. That would create the head, and then obviously would bounce between the support and resistance here, which will then create the right shoulder. And then obviously after that, then sky's the limit. So we should sort of see ourselves up here. If we start creating this inverse head and shoulders, then we should see us sort of moving towards the $37,600 mark again. Let's quickly move over to XRP. I'm already 6 minutes through the video, but that's my prediction now. Obviously, we'll check it in sort of the next, well, I'll do another video tomorrow, and then I'm hoping that obviously that inverse head and shoulders pattern plays out, because I'll be a genius if that happens. But that's what it looks like to me at the moment. So with XRP, we did create this head and shoulders pattern here. This is the 45-minute chart. Kind of looking fairly bullish at the moment. Obviously, we are, yeah, it's not looking too bad on the 45-minute. We've still got a little bit of buying pressure here, but obviously we would like to see that volume move up a little bit more. This is the hourly chart on XRP. Still looking a bit bullish. Obviously, we need to get some more volume in, but still not looking too bad. We're sort of bouncing between the resistance level of 58 cents and the support level of 56 cents. So, yeah, obviously that basically what happens with XRP would depend on what's happening with Bitcoin at the moment. Obviously, if Bitcoin does pump to the upside, then obviously you'll see some more bullish action with XRP. Let's move up to the 4-hour chart. I'll show you what sort of happened with this head and shoulders pattern. We didn't fall as far as I thought we would. I thought we would fall, if we came out of the triangle here, I thought we would break through this support level here of 56 cents, and then probably start retesting the 52 cents sort of level. But obviously we didn't, which is good. I'm hoping we stay between here, and then I'm hoping that obviously Bitcoin does its thing, and then obviously we start going back up. We haven't ticked bullish yet on the MACD. We are probably going to be ticking bullish here on the RSI for XRP. So yeah, obviously that might happen in the next few hours or so, or maybe by tomorrow morning. Once that happens, we should see a nice little sort of run to the upside. Let's sort of see what that pump would be. Possibly, well, this candle here, maybe. So we should be retesting the resistance of 58 cents, then retesting 59, and then hopefully reaching about 61 cents again, getting back to the levels that we were the other day. That's what I'm sort of hoping for. If we sort of move to the, we haven't actually seen anything on the MACD yet, so I'm hoping to start seeing some little blue candles start to form, and then obviously some more volume coming in as well. Let's move to the daily. Wouldn't really say that's ticking bullish yet. We haven't actually crossed this yellow line yet on the MACD, but yeah, no, not seeing any blue candles yet, and we also are not really ticking bullish on the RSI either here. So I'm just going off of the 4-hour chart at the moment for XRP. Yeah, so basically my sort of prediction is obviously if we tick bullish on the RSI here, which we should do in the next sort of few hours or by tomorrow morning, then we should see a pump to the upside, bounce between the support and resistance, create this right shoulder, and then we should sort of start retesting these resistance levels here, here, and here. So let's come back to this in the next few days and obviously see if I was right or not. I definitely need more subscribers and more people to be watching these videos, because the last few videos I've been posting have been spot on at the moment. So I just, yeah, it would be nice if more people can actually see what's going to happen before it happens, because obviously these prediction and these charts that I'm sort of drawing seem to be quite accurate. Bearing in mind I haven't been doing this for very long. I've only been doing it for a few months really. YouTube I've only been doing for probably a couple of weeks. So yeah, you just need to see these videos before it actually happens. But that's about it really. Hopefully we start seeing some more bullish movement. We are about to tick bullish on the RSI for Bitcoin, so we will come back to this tomorrow, and we should hopefully tick bullish on the MACD soon. So we'll come back to this tomorrow. I'll post again at about 9 o'clock. I would say that my videos will come out between 9 and 10. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.